Aristotle said, "Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom." We live in a perfectly imperfect world. And while I often chase light with my camera, I know it's equally important to chase the shadows. Today I'm photographing with a Lumix S1R and a 24-105 f4. I'm out here challenging myself to see that everything is interesting. Even the briars and weeds here at home in my yard. I can choose to see their thorns, or I can choose to see their budding flowers. And that's the way it is with life. We all have thorns, but we all also have something to give, something to share. And today, the camera has shown me to seek the beauty between the thorns and even in the shadows.